If you're looking for a sulit na buffet restaurant na may cozy ambience, I highly recommend this restaurant. It's my first time to try buffet foods na yung staff ang magsaserve sa table nyo. They are offering Eat All You Can promo for only 888 plus per person, where customers get to enjoy freshly cooked dishes from their skilled chef. At dito lang yan sa Shanghai Saloon, na located sa first level ng Podium Mall, Ortigas Center, Pasig, Metro Manila. Pagpasok ko pa lang ng restaurant, amazed na ako sa ganda ng kanilang interior. Definitely, this place is one of the perfect venue to celebrate special occasions with our loved ones. Must try itong chicken feet nila. Ang sarap. Shanghai Saloon is known for its modern Chinese dining experience, elegant ambience, and friendly staff, making it a good choice for special events or casual dining. One of my favorite dishes is itong kanilang chicken feet. Na-enjoy talaga namin yung mga masasarap na pagkain dito. Their Eat All You Can promo is really worth trying. Affordable, yet you'll get to enjoy unlimited Chinese foods. Must try din itong kanilang buchi. Ang sarap. They are offering wide array of Shanghai, Cantonese, and Western-inspired dishes. So if you're looking to savor traditional Chinese flavors, reimagine with a contemporary twist, or simply yearning for an unforgettable dining experience, Shanghai Saloon at the Podium Mall in Ortigas City promises to deliver a memorable journey through the flavors of Shanghai's golden era. So what are you waiting for? Itry nyo na rin itong kanilang Eat All You Can promo.